Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome, and this is our Alfa Giulia 105 series. Hope you like it. Right, let's take a look around this absolutely stunning G registration, so either 1968 or 69 Alfa Giulia 105 series. This is a Giulia Super, original UK right-hand drive example, and it is absolutely lovely. Let's take a slow walk around it first of all. I absolutely love these cars. They're so advanced for their day. 5-speed gearbox, disc brakes all round, twin cam engine. And I love the styling as well. A bit like a Dolomite Sprint with attitude. So, here we are, around at the front end again. Let's start taking a proper look at it. It's just fantastic. Chrome is really good throughout. Paintwork is pretty good. There's one or two small blemishes here and there, which I'll point out. You probably can't see it on the video, but it just feels like there's a very slight area of sinkage just here on the back of the bonnet where the paint has sunk slightly. That is a cloud. That's not the sinkage. Unfortunately, yeah, it's not really showing up on the video, so I'm being a bit picky there, I must admit. But carrying on round, we've got a small chip just there on the inside edge of the wing. Obviously, bonnet's caught it at some point. Looking down the near side, the panel fit is excellent. Everything is exactly as it should be. Near side front wheel is all good. There is one section of paint missing just down there on the near side sill. Apparently some idiot that was changing the tyre thought that was the way to jack it up and managed to take a big chunk of paint off the sill. It wasn't us. It was with the previous owner, who was very unhappy about it. All the lines are good. Interior wise, it's absolutely fantastic. And I think largely original actually. Just brilliant in every way in there. Original period radio, wood rim steering wheel. That's a couple of bits of leaf. Near side rear door is all good. I just love these little details, like the badging here on the C post on these. And again in the back, absolutely first class, excuse me. Roof is all nice. Rear window is good. Near side rear wing down here is all good. It's got the proper Alfa hubcaps on it. As we say, the chrome is excellent on it. Looking around the back end, the boot lid is all good. Did notice a chip around the back end somewhere. Where was it? Again, tiny little chip just there on the inside edge of the inner wing there, but I thought I saw another one. Oh yeah, there's a little one there just above the number plates around. But otherwise, again, around the back end here, all looking beautiful. So chrome is fantastic. Looking down the offside, again, panel fit pretty good. Ah, that's the chip I was thinking of. Just there on the offside rear wing. Tiny little chip. Again, wheels and tyres. Just all nice there. And again inside, just fantastic. It really is. Shut that door properly. That's it. Offside door is all good. Again, the panel lines are good. Offside front wing is all good. It's just a piece of dirt. and then going back to inside. Actually, we have got a very tiny parking dink just there. If I move the camera about, you might be able to see it a little bit. It is very, very tiny. Again, I'm being very picky. Inside, all exactly as you would hope. Just great. Really, really good. So, I think there we have it, really. It is a truly lovely car, in my opinion. And as I own it, I'm entitled to my opinion. Anyway, my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.